In this video, I will show you how to install APKs on your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. If you want to install any APK on your smart TV, this is what you can do. Now, we are going to be using an application called Downloader, and this is the application I'm talking about. So this is a very easy to use application. Here is it, Downloader on my screen. As you can see, this is a very easy to use application. And what this application does is that it helps you sort out files, APKs, apps, documents, music from across the internet that you can download or install to your smart TV. So if you don't have this application called Downloader, check in the description of this video and you're going to see a link that's going to help you install this application to your smart TV. So it's very easy to use. So once you install this application downloaded to your smart TV, you can use it to search for any APK that you want. So we're going to take for instance and search for an example of an APK and we are going to see what downloader is going to show us. So once you launch downloader, there is a box that's going to show, and here is the box here, and this is where you type the name of the APK or anything you want to download on the internet. So for instance, if I want to download VLC APK, so I just come over here and I type VLC APK. So I want the APK of this. APK, and once I type in that, I just go ahead and click on go. Downloader is going to show me where I can install the APK of VLC from across the internet. It's a very easy and nice application. You see, so these are various APKs of, you can see this is the this is an APK here, this is another APK here, and there are various. So there are many of them. You can just choose which one to download.